Hello everyone, this is Hannah from Globevisa Singapore office. Today it's my great pleasure to have Nuno here. Nuno, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, nice to be here. My name is Nuno Pereira. I'm a partner at 60 Degrees, an asset manager company from Portugal.
I think for every fund, one of the most important factors that our clients cares is the team's experience. Can you introduce your team?
So our team is constituted by people who already have lots of years of experience managing financial products. So our main partners, they have more than 30 years experience managing either stock market funds or fixed income funds. So the stock market main partner is the portfolio manager of the fund that is eligible for the Golden Visa. We also have a dedicated analyst. His work is only to track the business plans of the companies and the results they publish and whatever information is about the companies. I have 15 years experience in the financial markets, and I also help in terms of analysis of the macroeconomic scenario. And then we have Antonio, also with 15 years experience, that also tracks some of the economic indexes that we follow.
That was really impressive. And can you share with us the track record of your fund so our clients can expect what will be the return in the future?
Okay, so our fund only has 2 years of life, so we are a recent fund as all of the funds that are in the market. But it has a 22% return since September 2021. So our main target is to have a return between 7 to 10% per year, and the upper side of this interval near the 10% per year. Previously, we also, in our previous job, we managed funds like this. So we have lots of experience. Virgilio launched a similar fund in 1997. So he has lots of experience in the Portuguese market. He knows all the CEOs, CFOs, investor relations. And so we have good access to information all across the Portuguese market.
What will be the subscription fee and management fee for your fund?
Okay, so we have a 5% setup fee, a subscription fee, that accounts for the possibility of one investor being the last to hold the fund for the Golden Visa. In that case, we guarantee that we will not close the fund until the person meets the Golden Visa criteria and ends their investment objective. And regarding the management fee, we have a 0.75% management fee deducted from the investment, and this is the lowest investment fee, management fee of, I think you are in good hands.
And can you explain more about investment direction? You can give us some examples.
Yes, so the Portuguese market is a bit conservative compared with other global markets because the companies that constitute the index and they are available for investment, they are in sectors they are more defensive, like retail companies, supermarket chains, utility companies, etc. And so, by definition, the fund will be more defensive than a usual stock market fund. What we can see is like in 2022, it was a terrible year for the financial markets, of having a good macro view and being able to defend the holdings of the fund throughout the crisis. So in terms of strategy, what we say and what we do is we have a macro view, a macro analysis, where we define the scenarios that are more probable of happening. And then with the business case of each company, we construct the portfolio that will respond better as we built before. And in this way, we can adapt constantly to scenarios changes because we know the companies and we know the variables that we are looking for to protect or to increase the. And so it is a very robust strategy.
Okay, my last question will be the exit option. As many of our clients know that usually the Golden Visa might take about 1.5 to 2 years. Plus, they need to wait for 5 years to be eligible to apply for a Portugal passport. So minimum, they need to hold the fund for 7 years. And the investment is tied with the Golden Visa. But just in case, if the client has some emergency, is it possible for them to exit in the middle?
That's the very interesting aspect of this fund. It's a feature that we can see. This fund wasn't built for Golden Visa purposes only. We also have Portuguese investors with us. And as any investor, they can subscribe and they can read it. And Golden Visa investors, the same. So if they change their mind, if they have a problem, if they have something happening in their life, and they want their money back in these 7 years, they can just ask for a redemption, and 5 business days later, we will send the money back to original bank account. This is very interesting because some other solutions, they demand a lock-in, and so we don't find that that's appealing for people who are going to commit for 10 years. They don't know. So it's very interesting to have the flexibility to think about it if you want.
Okay, Nuno, that's all my questions.
Thank you very
for
much.
your time. Thank you.